The truth is that there is no such thing as an ideal moment to start an e-commerce business. It is because it is the idea, not the business, that transforms a company from rust to gold. Welcome to eCommerce Know-How. Here is a list of the finest e-commerce business ideas, worth the effort and money, with fantastic potential in 2021 beyond. Number 7. Fashion products/service. People rely on e-commerce websites to fulfill their fashion needs, as the demographics of people that live an urban lifestyle where time and convenience are more valuable than money grow. There is a high demand for specialty products and services, particularly in the fashion business. This makes specialized fashion websites extremely popular since they provide their viewers with the most recent trends. Despite the fact that the fashion market is quite congested, there are still people who are unable to locate what they are seeking for. Developing excellent brands that specialize in simple and minimalistic clothes is one such niche, which targets millennial consumers and might be a valuable business opportunity. Number 6. Online food and grocery services. The online food and grocery sector will be one of the most profitable markets after 2020. This market has expanded as mobile apps have grown in popularity and are utilized by billions of people. Given the breadth of its products and the size of its market, the food and grocery business is far from saturated. People in cities are increasingly gravitating toward local produce and markets. As we can see, growing technology and e-commerce trends are affecting customer behavior in the food market. As an entrepreneur, you might begin small by working with local sellers and produce. You may quickly scale up your firm once your profits improve by creating and improving partnerships with your vendors. Number 5. Travel agency business. A substantial proportion of millennials want to travel. However, the process of travel is complicated by a lack of information about the location and other problems, such as lodging and transportation. This creates a big need for online travel firms who can reward the tourist and book hotels and transportation in a flash, while also giving curated content about the place, making the visitor's life easier. Because of the valuable time saved in trip planning, this company solves a big problem for millennial travelers. E-commerce has flourished in this market, and a highly tailored service curation is required in order to provide you with the ideal clients for your business. The travel industry is all on how satisfied your customer was with their experience. So, when you first start out, focus on quality. Number 4. Online education services. Why not create a course if you have expert understanding of the subject industry, or simply discovered a new method of doing things? With predicted sales of $286 billion in 2023, an increase of 80% above the figure reported in 2017. This is a successful internet business. People are dissatisfied with educational institutions, both private and public. One is incredibly expensive and can only be afforded by a select few, whereas the quality of education in public schools is deplorable. Despite the availability of several online courses, the desire for high-quality, low-cost education is at an all-time high. Number 3. Subscription boxes. Subscription box selling websites have seen a phenomenal 800% surge in sales in the previous 3 years alone. Even in areas dominated by established players, you have an opportunity to make an impression since consumers desire novelty. Subscription boxes bring this element into the lives of many people, who frequently select from many subscriptions in various sectors. Number 2. Baby rompers. Baby rompers are adorable. Everyone adores them, which is why they have proven to be a terrific product, as evidenced by their high search volume. If you operate an online business that specializes in infant/baby clothes, you can include baby rompers in your trending product category. You can also easily market maternity items. Feel free to sell baby toys or children's apparel to liven things up. Increasing the variety of your e-commerce store will allow it to become a one-stop shop for parents. Number 1. Digital marketing. You're not selling a product here, you're providing a service. Digital marketing is in high demand, and an increasing number of people are looking for services in this field. If you have talents in SEO or anything else linked to digital marketing, you may put them to use right immediately. It's an excellent approach to supplement your income while also gaining some long-term clients. Businesses, now more than ever, require digital marketing experts to promote their websites, and you may always benefit from it. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which idea do you think will perform the best? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.